Probably a better idea.
This guy's never gotten a boat before.
Huh. Oh, yeah, we have. Just didn't see big ones.
Yeah, come on, Mr. Cat. We're good, about to set sail.
I know this might actually work. Look, our
Oh.
car even went down the water bowl.
I think this might work.
Got to steer one of those things?
Yeah, we got you.
Oh, hell, I gotta give him an A now.
We
Here's the downhill section down here.
Could have made it a little skinnier though, James.
No water. Nice.
Well, he wants to put a trolling motor on it and
There you
a
go.
battery in the back.
Son of a bitch works.
Actually work.
Right?
Dang, right.
I mean, all this for this. I just told you for a second.
It wasn't any fun because it worked.
You got to turn around and come back before you get in.
Hell, he'll do motors on it now.
You got to turn around and come back for that. All right, now put it in the back of my truck and go down the Delaware. You made it.
It's actually pretty stable, too. I already have a nice boat that works for that.
Wait, the door was locked. Take a big jump.
You got to do it again.
It's on the return trip. Now you got to do it again.
Yes. Again.